Spring is in full swing, and April is a crucial month to get your garden thriving in USDA Zone 7A. From planting vegetables to maintaining fruit trees and prepping flower beds, let's dive into the essential tasks for this month. First up, let's get those cool season crops in the ground. Now's the time to sow or transplant broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, peas, carrots, beets, radishes, onions, and potatoes. If you haven't finished pruning your fruit trees, now's your last chance. Remove any dead or diseased wood to keep trees healthy. April is perfect for planting hardy perennials like daylilies and hostas. But let's not forget about planting our vegetable garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having a well-thought-out plan is essential. First, decide which vegetables you want to grow based on your climate and space. Consider companion planting to maximize your yield and naturally deter pests. For instance, planting basil near tomatoes can enhance their flavor and keep pests at bay. Next, map out your garden layout. Raised beds and container gardens are great options for small spaces. Ensure you rotate your crops each year to maintain soil health and reduce the risk of disease. Finally, start your seedlings indoors if you haven't already. This gives them a head start and makes transplanting easier when the weather warms up. With a little planning and preparation, your vegetable garden will thrive all season long. Before diving into planting, let's talk about an essential step: soil preparation and composting. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Start by testing your soil to understand its pH and nutrient levels. You can find affordable soil testing kits online or at your local garden center. Once you know what your soil needs, you can amend it accordingly. Adding organic matter like compost improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. If you don't have a compost pile yet, now is a great time to start one. Composting kitchen scraps and yard waste is an eco-friendly way to enrich your garden soil. Simply layer green materials like vegetable peels and coffee grounds with brown materials like leaves and straw. Turn the pile regularly to speed up decomposition. In a few months, you'll have rich, dark compost to mix into your garden beds. Remember, well-prepared soil means healthier plants and bigger harvests. So take the time now to nurture your soil and your garden will thank you all season long. April is perfect for planting hardy perennials like daylilies and hostas. And after the last frost, you can add warm season annuals like marigolds and zinnias. Hardy herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, and chives can go directly outdoors now. Time to bring that lawn back to life. Start regular mowing, keeping the grass at about 3 to 3.5 inches tall. Prune spring-flowering shrubs like dogwoods after they finish blooming to shape them properly. Before things heat up, check your irrigation system for leaks or clogs. April is a busy month in the garden, but all this effort will pay off with a vibrant, productive landscape. Happy gardening!